A jolt and then you'll die.
This is the Ring Stick-Up Cam. It's versatile, super versatile. Indoors, outdoors, outdoors in the rain. It's got two-way talk.
Hey, Eddie.
And works with Alexa.
Hey, bud.
Hi, Dad.
Choose the Stick-Up Cam that's right for you. Wired, battery, or let the sun do the charging for you. So you can check in to make sure nothing's going on. And if something is going on, Stick-Up Cam works with your Ring alarm and can record automatically.
Seriously?
Seriously. So start protecting your home and family with the easy installing, home monitoring, super versatile, indoor-outdoor Stick-Up Cam by Ring.
Coway Aquamega 200C, the smart water purifier that provides clean, crisp water with one touch. Coway Aquamega 200C provides clean, crisp water at your fingertips for the health of your family. The direct water system provides an endless supply of clean, pure water and can also dispense large volumes at once. The unit stores 0.36 gallons of cool water, available at any time for optimal convenience. The Coway Aquamega 200C uses a two-step filtration system, which provides performance and cleanliness and is certified by the WQA. The filter system is composed of a sediment filter and powerful carbon block filter that removes sediment and harmful contaminants, providing your family with clean water and peace of mind. Additionally, filter changes are indicated with an automatic smart filter change indicator on the front of the panel, and changing the filters is an easy, intuitive process. Replacing your Coway Aquamega 200C filters is quick and simple. Coway Aquamega 200C is a smart system that pairs with your mobile devices. You can check the usage of the purifier and check the filter change status through the Coway IoCare app. Coway Aquamega 200C's compact and sleek design ensures the purifier is space efficient and can be installed anywhere in the kitchen. The touch display makes for easy product interaction, providing the right serving size with a single touch. The design can also accommodate larger containers like water bottles. Coway Aquamega 200C, the smart water purifier that provides clean, crisp water with one touch. Coway Aquamega.
Introducing Jibo, the world's first family robot. Say hi, Jibo.
Hi, Jibo.
Jibo helps everyone out throughout their day. He's the world's best cameraman. By intelligently tracking the action around him, he can independently take video and photos, so that you can put down your camera and be a part of the scene.
Jibo, take the picture.
He's a hands-free helper. You can talk to him, and he'll talk to you back, so you don't have to skip a beat.
Excuse me, Anne?
Yes, Jibo.
Melissa just sent a reminder that she's picking you up in half an hour to go grocery shopping.
Thanks, Jibo.
He's an entertainer and educator. Through interactive applications, Jibo can teach.
Let me in, or else I'll... And I'll... And I'll blow your house in.
Hey, where'd you go? There you are.
He's the closest thing to a real-life teleportation device. He can turn and look at whoever you want with a simple tap of your finger.
Check out my turkey dinner, Mom.
I wish you wouldn't eat that.
Hey, they make turkey pizza? I want turkey pizza.
And he's a platform, so his skills keep expanding. He'll be able to connect to your home.
Welcome home, Eric.
Hey, buddy. Can you order some takeout for me?
Sure thing. Chinese, as usual?
You know me so well.
And even be a great wingman.
You have a voice message from Ashley. Want to hear it?
Absolutely.
Hey, call me when you're home.
Better make that takeout for two, Jibo.
Accidents happen, so you need a better way to clean. Introducing OmiSonic, the wireless ultrasonic washer. OmiSonic is a washing machine for virtually anything, including fruits, vegetables, delicate fabrics, jewelry, silverware, and more. It even comes with portable paper soap. The app comes with unique settings for specific items, and you can even make your own. Inside OmiSonic is a powerful yet compact ultrasonic motor. Simply soak the item in water, insert OmiSonic, then push start on the app. Once activated, it generates microscopic air bubbles in the water that collapse and create powerful jet streams that remove dirt and bacteria. For small items, OmiSonic saves money by using less water and energy than standard washing machines. Before OmiSonic, cleaning jewelry could be tricky.
Honey, where's your wedding ring?
But now, you can wash those hard-to-reach spots without worrying about damage. And OmiSonic is wireless. Throw it in a bag, in a suitcase, or your pocket, and you're good to go. OmiSonic is made for travelers, especially ones who want to keep clean.
Dad, what?
Just find a body of water, put it in, and you've got a portable washer anywhere you go.
Introducing Syfer, a powerful yet simple way to protect your privacy, security, and family online. Today, our world is more connected to the internet than ever before. Whether browsing Facebook, adjusting Nest, or shopping on Amazon, we're leaving behind trails of data that tell internet companies a lot about ourselves. But our privacy is just the beginning. We also need to worry about online fraud, identity theft, and hackers. It can all feel overwhelming. That's why we created Syfer. Syfer encrypts your data to keep it private from internet companies and marketers. It also protects every device in your home or business from the latest cyber threats. And finally, you can rest easy knowing that your family is protected. Syfer's parental controls make the internet safe even for the savviest kids. Being connected shouldn't be a nightmare. Stay safer with Syfer.
Let's have a look at LG Puricare's 360 degrees purification. LG Puricare is perfectly round, with 360 degrees unique design that makes your space beautiful. Through 360 degrees purification, LG Puricare absorbs pollutants from all directions, wherever it is installed. Inside LG Puricare, there is an axial centrifugal fan and a guide vane with chevron nozzle, both patented, which makes 20% more powerful purification than the conventional products and helps purify the air 360 degrees. You can see that it purifies extensive location equally, 360 degrees. Wherever you put it, LG Puricare can absorb pollutants from 360 degrees. This is another surprising function of LG Puricare that no other purifier has, the Clean Booster. LG Puricare is a unique combination, an air purifier with a fan. LG Puricare's Clean Booster can deliver clean air very far, as much as 7.5 meters. The Clean Booster rises and rotates to the right and left in order to deliver clean air even to the furthest corners. You can see that Puricare can send all the clean air through the rotating Clean Booster, which powerfully purifies the entire room. Let us introduce the third feature of this product, filtration. LG Puricare has powerful filtration, which will purify your space with qualified 360-degree filters. These 360-degree filters get rid of microparticles, harmful gases, and odors effectively. we will be introducing to you the Baby Care function. Did you know that indoor pollution level is the highest on floors where babies stay? Operating just the lower duct of Puricare will deliver clean air to low places where your baby plays. Puricare provides clean air for your babies through special, independently working lower duct system. One of the many wonderful features of LG Puricare is Smart Sensor and Display. There is a Smart Sensor, which is made of Smart PM 1.0 and gas sensor. Through these sensors, Puricare senses the pollution level and automatically sets the airflow and operation cycle. The Smart Display is the lighting system, which shows different colors based on your pollution level. With the Smart Indicator, you can see the level of pollution and odor in color and figure. You can also check out the pollution level of a particular kind of pollutant dust you want to see by simply selecting it. Smart Thin Q, the mobile application which will help you control LG Puricare easily and conveniently. Wherever you are, you can check the pollution level of your house and control your air purifier through Smart Thin Q. Turn on LG Puricare through Smart Thin Q before you go home. Pure fresh air will be waiting for you. Easily check when you have to change the filter through Smart Thin Q. LG Puricare.
Once you replace your old TV with a 4K laser TV, like, I don't know, just as a random example, VAVA's 80 to 150 inch ultra short throw 4K laser TV, you're gonna be feeling like this. That's you. That's you right there. Your favorite sports teams look great with the lights off and with the lights on and with the window open because sunlight doesn't stand a chance against all 6,000 of these lumens. It'll make your favorite video games look like this and make you look like this. Plus, it makes your favorite music videos look and sound real nice.
The Miracle-Gro AeroGarden Bounty Elite. Grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and more year-round. It's easy to set up. Your herbs and vegetables grow naturally in pure water and air, no soil required. You can watch it sprout in days, harvest in just weeks, and enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables again and again for months. The Bounty Elite comes with everything you need to start growing. It will grow up to 9 plants at a time. And plants can grow up to 24 inches high with the fully adjustable lamp arm. The easy-to-use control panel tells you when to add water, plant food, and automatically turns the lights on and off. It also guides you through your garden setup and provides helpful gardening tips. The advanced 45-watt LED lighting system delivers optimal light for plant growth and costs just pennies per day to operate. With a beautiful stainless steel finish, it will look great on your countertop. Get an AeroGarden Bounty Elite and get growing today.
Most hosts agree their main concerns are parties, damage, and neighbor complaints. With Minut, you can detect parties before they get out of hand and cause problems for you and your neighbors. 100% privacy safe. Minut sensors monitor noise levels and notify you when it gets too loud. You can easily set custom thresholds, choosing the sound level you think is too loud, including a lower tolerance throughout the night. Minut tracks not just how loud it is, but also how long it is loud for, so you won't get alerted every time a door slams. You can even customize how long the noise has to last before you get a notification, anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes. In the web and mobile app, you will have access to easy-to-read graphs that show you the current and historical noise levels, which can help you fight false noise complaints. You can also automate your guest communication through our Guest Connect feature. So whether you're asleep or just busy, your guests will still be notified if they need to quiet down, either via an SMS or directly through the device, which will start to flash and sound. We even added a tamper detection, so if your guests try to remove the sensor, you'll know instantly.
Meet Aura Air, the world's first total air solution. It does 4 things. 1. It analyzes your air by circulating it, so it can tell you what's going on right now, but also predict future problems. 2. It purifies it and disinfects it through 5 different filters to an entirely different level of standards. 3. It functions as a certified carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit, and it recognizes the air quality outside your home and gives you real-time air quality recommendations. Each of these things it does better than most of the other only doing one thing devices. And thanks to advanced technology, it's not the size of a refrigerator, so you don't need to move a couch to find room for it. If you're not living directly under a highway, you're probably thinking your indoor air is at least okay. That's because it seems clear. If it looked like this, you would know there's a problem. But if we could visualize every toxin that's in your air, you'd be able to see that your everyday air is filled with pesticides, gas leaks, pollen, formaldehyde, mold, and home-created toxins. In fact, according to the US EPA, indoor air is 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Maybe you are better off living under a highway. Now let's talk air purification. Aura Air uses a unique 5-stage optimized filter system, starting with a pre-filter that cleanses big molecules and particles of dust, pollen, and mold. The UV LED is for bacteria and viruses. Ray filter is for tiny particles such as microdust and germs. Then the smart fabric filter with copper and carbon absorbs smells and harmful gases. And finally, the stereonizer completes the purifying process by restoring necessary ion levels to closed environments. Your air is now cleaner and better than any other purifier can. And thanks to the analyzer, Aura Air's app will tell you how clean. You can also get tips and insights on how to improve your indoor air quality, and see a graph of your home's air quality over time. Besides analyzing and purifying, Aura Air's sensors provide the built-in functionality of a carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit. The US requires every home to have these detectors, and everywhere else, it's pretty useful to have them as well. Now let's talk about what's going on outside. Aura Air teamed up with Breezometer to give you location-based real-time air quality data. And you know they're good because they provide Google their air quality information. This can help you decide whether it's a good day for a jog or a better day to stay in and finally do that binge watching you've been postponing all week. So if you want indoor air analysis, the best-in-class purification, carbon monoxide and smoke detection, and outside air analysis all in one, get Aura Air.